Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now we're going to look at Vrikshasana. It's a tree pose. It's the pose done in the standing position. And like I've explained before, please look into your guide for every little detail about this asana. This asana is done in standing position. So for this asana, bring yourself in standing pose on your feet. Now make sure to feel the balance in this pose. If you're doing it from the left foot first, feel all your body weight in your left foot. Slowly bring your right foot and place it right below your groin. Slowly, arms go up, stretch it up, chin, little bit lifted up. And focus on one point to hold the pose. Find your balance. If you're shaking a little, that's okay. Feel centered with yourself. When you're done, slowly, arms come down first. Release your folded leg and breathe normal. Happy practicing.